Wymondham Train Station in Norfolk, England, opened way back in 1845 as part of the Norwich and Brandon Railway, making it one of the oldest stations in the region. It was an important stop on a route linking Norwich with Eye and beyond, helping connect East Anglia to the rest of England. Just months after opening, the nearby Spinks Lane station closed, leaving Wymondham as the town's main rail hub. By the mid-1800s, the railways had merged into larger companies like the Great Eastern Railway and later Liner in 1923, shaping how trains ran across the country. Wymondham also became a junction for branch lines, including a road to Dereham, today preserved as part of the Mid-Norfolk Railway Heritage Line. The building itself remains Grade 2 listed. Today it still serves as regular trains to Norwich, Cambridge and beyond, and even includes a beloved station Bristow, where visitors can grab a bite while watching the trains go by. And this is where we started our ghost hunting adventure in the Bristow with the ghost hunting team. I hope you enjoy just a few snippets of our exciting first ghost hunting night.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Right. Y'all shoot out things, I have to look it up.
Oh, there's a train. Train just went past there. Mental.
Protection bubble. We're going to see a white light come down from the sky, through the building, down into this bubble, and it's going to fill the bubble with pure white light, pure protection. I'd like you to breathe that light in. Let that light reach out into all parts of your body, all the way down to tips of your fingers, to the tops of your toes. We're going to ask for the spirits of the bistro here tonight to come and communicate with us, whether that be through spiritual means, through mediumship, or through our equipment. We ask that our spirit guides stand with us tonight and aid us in this communication. We ask for the protection of St. Michael to guide us and guard us from any negative entities. Okay, that's done. Yep.
Yeah, I was like, looking.
If you're down in the carriage room or in the snug, we do ask that you come in to the main room here. Come and say hello. Could you touch anything in the room? Could you make the lights move? Oh, so what you can actually hear is a piece of equipment in the corridor called a dead bell. it. So, Tony?
Do you think it's a station master?
Okay, I feel like he's not quite good on his legs. I feel he's quite okay, what's took him? I just feel like I'm getting chest pains.
Clever, because that was the main route coming in from London.
Yeah.
They used to come on horse and cart and stuff.
Didn't they use it as a school at some point as well?
Pass, I don't know. I do not know that. But there was all sorts going on in that place.
Yeah,
From-
that was really interesting.
Yeah, really bad, yeah. The most interesting place I've been to is...
We like a bit of Santon, don't we?
Yeah, I like Blowfield Courthouse, that's a good one.
Get quite a bit in there,
Get
don't
the misogynistic judge in there,
That's
in that
right.
office.
Darren, the tech guy, he got.
Can't do it?
No.
He sat in the thing. We all jumped.
I don't like mirrors anyway. Oh, there's a bell there, yeah.
Pay attention again, just so you're not.
Where are we going?
You're going to the kitchen.
Best place was Line Yard 4.
That is, isn't it?
Now, there's lots of clicking back here. There's food in there, we won't go in there.
Yeah, I started in June last
Yes, we come here in peace and we come here in harmony. We are just looking to see if there is anybody here and if you could make your presence known to us. We could ask if you could just make a small tap on the desk for us or on any other thing that you can find in the room. Any of the lights on that you can see on the desk, on the fireplace there. If you can move towards them, they will make a sound. If you just go near it, it'll go like that. And it'll be the same with the green one that's on the fireplace. If you're able to give us a little knock, just like a something.
Just lightens the mood.
Can you do it again? Twice in a row. That's what let's do. Please. No, have you got something coming through? Because it seems to be a link.
Bell's gone berserk. CJ's on the scrolling mirror.
Yeah.
It's not actually.
Wymondham Train Station itself doesn't have a lot of ghostly history, neither does the Bristol Café, although there are certain stories of two individuals that do walk the hallways and the train tracks. One is a man who walks the hallways of the Bristol Caf up and down, pacing like a lost soul. The investigating ghost team was lucky enough to capture some movement in the hallway with some of the equipment they used. And although I checked outside several times, I wasn't able to see the man that walked the railway line.